Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you some proven success story of those who have passed their Profitability challenge from FFM, MFF and FTMO. You can see from Olivia, the second phase passed in one day today, which is 2nd May 2023, as you can see the date. And as we are scrolling down, you'll be seeing this success story. This thanks for Rick plus 30 plus unfunded account today. Awesome start. Joining the fund 2 phase 1, 2 phase 2 account complete today. As you can see, this is an evaluation funded live. You can see the account 301,212.82, and then this account is this is a live account, evaluation account, making the money just sleeping Titan X. You can see the power of Titan X EA. Very, very powerful EA. Look at this graph. Let me zoom it. As you can see the graph, very, very wonderful graph. Let's look at the graph. This 1K account. As you can see, this is a funded account. You can see it daily. This is a daily profit. You can see it nearly got to 8% on a funded account because of the slippage maybe, but I think that we do for this. That's what the recipient says. That was yesterday, May 1st. You see, thank you. Just got to my third funded account. Wow, that's a wonderful. Pending trading days and not been flat. I love this group. No trade on my funded account. Yes. Wow. I passed 300k TFT and 100k TFF2. Just need 4 trading days to complete them. Wow, that's wonderful. As you can see it, look at this beautiful graph. Let me zoom for you to see. Look at it from 100k. You can see it to 108,000k. This is a wonderful EE. That's power of Titan X. You will see the link in the description, and then you will see the short link in the description. You follow the link or you contact me. The contact link is in the description of this YouTube email. You can see it started April 28, 2023, and it's going to end in May 29. But today is May 2nd, and the EA has already passed the challenge. So it's waiting for the remaining days to complete, for 10 minimum days to complete. 8 minimum, 5 minimum days to complete. Then it moves to phase 2. That's wonderful. This phase 1, as you can see, another magic in 2 days. Another phase 1 pass. Need to complete minimum days requirement. Thanks. As you can see, let me scroll up. It take profit 5% on my new funded account. Wow, this is fantastic. Fantastic. It take profit on 200k funded and 100k funded. Riddick, you beauty. Pass phase 1 account on Riddick on 50k. That's wonderful. Well, pass TFF in 4 hours. Thanks Beef and Riddick. Wow, that's wonderful. Look at this graph. Let me scroll out. You can see it. Sell. You can see this is a 100k account. You can see 5% increase to 105 and $13.87. This is a very, very great result. You can see it. AUD. You can see it's trading good. Sell it. Wow, this wonderful. Good, wonderful. As you can see it. Very, and that's phase 2 pass with Riddick. Thanks again. Just got to meet minimum trading days. First payout approved. Yeah, man, good stuff. As you can see, we are moving. Look at this. Dank bro, I'm sorry you had a bad run so far, and so sound like this is my 3rd week and I passed a TFF 500k phase 1, currently on phase 2, STP 25k phase 1 and phase 2 currently funded and in profit. 3rd acquire 25k phase 1 pass and funded and as well. So do they physically click your button? No, but today give you a tutorial on how to set it up, and you just need to drag and drop. Yep, all the strategy have been default from the dashboard. Service has been quick to answer always, and results big. I hope you have better luck soon. Oh, that's wonderful. Pass phase 2 and now have a 10k funded account. Thanks all. Wow, this beautiful. Congratulations. This is MFF notification. Congratulations, you took the screenshot. Let's read it. Congratulations, your account has been approved and you have been passed, and you have passed verification. Your account is now ready for trading. Sincerely, by Forex Funds team. Wow. So don't forget, the link is in the description. Reach out to me in the description and I will send you the details on how to get this EA. Look at this one. Finally passed my first 100k account. Let's zoom to see it. Look at the very wonderful graph. As you can see, this 100k account started in April 24, 2023, and I'm supposed to end June 24, 2023, but the account has already passed. Congratulations, you have successfully passed our phase 2 challenge. Please make sure you have closed all your open position. We will review your trade and contact you soon. That's wonderful. Look at the trade, 105 and 50 and 105k pass. You can see it here. This is the profit that I was made, and then today's profile is just trading little cent. That's wonderful. Let's move on. This finally passed my first 100k. I just got my first funded account. It was with MFF, using MFF M1 100k. That's wonderful. Look at this graph. Little movement, little drawdown, and it moves up. Let's scroll up. You can see it started in April 25th, and today is April and April 29. Congratulations, you have successfully passed our phase 1 challenge. Please make sure you have closed all your open position. We will review your trade. Don't forget to reach out to me in the description, where if you are interested in this EA, I will direct you on what to do for a token. Look at this. This is a payout. You can see the confirm. This 2,000 plus, this 1,000 plus on a small account. As you can see, each time I finally got my certificate for both payouts. Super happy with the beef team and excited for more payouts. Now look at this one. What an achievement. First funded account, many to come. Thanks to my coach at Adeli and beef team for this wonderful system. Dream will definitely come true. You can see the certificate from my Forex Funds, and it was issued 2023 April 28th. That was last month. As you can see it, look at this result. Very wonderful. This pass evaluation. Joseph, I can pass this evaluation. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. Like 6 different account pass with the EA. Titan AFS is a very wonderful EA. If you are interested about this EA, you can contact me in the description. The link to reach out to me is in the description, and I will get you the EA fast. Last week was another. Let's read what he said. Last week was another great week of prop farming. Almost forgot to post my result. 5 times phase 1 pass with 3 new funded accounts. Not bad. Wow, that's wonderful. Look at this graph. Very beautiful. No drawdown at all. This is a 10,000 account. Started April 24. It's going to head May 25. But as you can see it now, it's very wonderful. My first little step to funding industry as well. Skill wise, very great EA. Look at this EA. I don't see any certificate on the site. My friend, it doesn't do anything. Here's my screenshot. You can see it. It has already passed the second phase. Look at this graph. So if you are interested about this EA, you can reach out to me in the contact. You will see the link to contact, the email to contact in the description of this video. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow I will post you another video. I will post another set of video about this Titan XEE. Very, very powerful EE. Let's look at this last one. As you can see, let's look at it. You can see it. Your result 10 days pass. Your result, the minimum daily drawdown is 0.38. You can see your result. You can see it. Here is it. Profit target it. So very, very wonderful EE. Titan X, very, very great EE. So have a wonderful day. Make sure you contact me in the description, and bye for now.